Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 2011 75 horse Yamaha with 325 hours on it. The compression and leak down was 210 on each cylinder, PSIs. Good spark, new plugs, pressure tested the gear case, it was good. New lube in the lower, new fuel filters, new oil filter and oil, new water pump impeller. If we ship it, we do drain the oil out of the motor, and then we'll ship the appropriate amount of oil that it needs to be put back into it when you receive the motor. It's a 20-inch tiller. We can turn it into a remote. You'd have to pay the additional for the control box and the other stuff that we'd have to do to make it a remote. Not a real big deal, but right now it's a tiller. Has the tilt and trim switch up here in the handle. Also has one back here on the side. It's got the throttle tensioner here for the throttle handle. Tighten it, and it gets it tight. It's for trolling. Steering actuators here for nice, smooth, loose, and then you can tighten it. And that's for holding it when you're trolling. We'll run it up here. Give it a minute to warm up. It is a Minnesota motor, so it's a freshwater engine. Nice water pumping. We only get to use our motors about 4 months out of the year, so it's pretty cold outside today. This also has the troll mode on it. So you go into forward, you control it down, I think it's 550. Then when you go back to neutral, it'll resets itself to take it out of troll mode. We'll go back into forward again. And the bucking is from the cavitating in the tank. It's hard to run them in a tank and get an actual, how they actually run out. And you got your reverse. Nice clean motor, couple scratches on the hood and stuff, but not beat up at all. We'll shut it off. If you're interested, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.